Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can autosave chats on Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, go to your chats option, and now let's go to a conversation. So let me just choose this one. So what you're going to do is long press over here, you'll be having this menu pop up. Now just go to chat and notification settings, and now what you need to do is over here you'll be having this keep snap in chat. Just go to delete chats, and now just press on 24 hours after viewing. Now the chats will be auto saved on your Snapchats for certain times. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.